Try this one. Try to do this question. Okay. A, D, A, D. Why so much confusion? We have done this kind of question in the last class also. हमने ये question बहुत बारी कर लिया है. So what happens here बेटा? दो तरीके का skewness हो सकता है. This और this. ठीक है. Here बेटा देखो highest observation सबसे पहले आ गया. So this is mode. Right. Here highest observation is coming towards the end. So this is mode. Right. इसी से actually you should be able to detect your distribution. So you should be very, very clear with what we are doing. तो जब हम बात करते हैं, I'll just give you the relationship. Whenever we talk about positive skewness, mean is greater than median is greater than mode. That is this. Mode comes first, right? Median comes here, and then mean comes here, right? And whenever we talk about the negative skewed data, जब हम negative skewness का बात करते हैं, then we say mean is less than, median is less than mode. तो mode सबसे end में आता है. The observation with the highest frequency, it comes towards the end. And then 50% of the data इधर आ जाता है बीच में, median. And here I have mean. Now look into this data set. So for this data set, आपको क्या दिया हुआ है? You're given that mean is 23. You're given that median is 24. And you're given that mode is 25.5. So isn't it clear that mean is less than median, is less than mode? Mean is less than median is less than mode. माने mode वाला observation, the highest observation, I will make it a little more skewed. Mode observation towards the end आ रहा है. The highest observation is coming towards the end, right? So what can we go ahead and what can we say? Mode is the highest, right? And if it is symmetrical, then mean, median, mode are equal to each other. So yes, the answer to this question should be D, right? The answer will be D.